Hi guys, welcome to SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about fields in Salesforce. Fields in Salesforce represents what column represents in relational database. It can store data values which are required for a particular record in an object. If you want to add information to an object, you must have a field on that object. For example, if you want to store an account holder name in account record, you must have a field named account holder name. There are two types of fields, standard fields and custom fields. Standard fields. Standard fields are fields created by Salesforce in standard objects. These are inbuilt fields in inbuilt objects. Those fields are constructed by Salesforce based on their market analysis. Custom objects also contains standard fields. 3 standard fields in every custom object will be created automatically. Those are created by, last modified by owner, and these fields created at the time of creation of an object. These 3 fields cannot be deleted or edited, and they are always required. Not only these fields, any standard fields in any standard objects cannot be deleted or edited. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.